we're looking at the code to check how it checks if a given sequence is in AP or not. I mean, if the given sequence is AP or not. Yeah, that's correct. So first we'll go to the code itself. We have here so the first thing is we're creating list of stuff. So what is it that I mean, we have to watch Python basics. So then we're looking at loop, while loop, wherein we are taking the entry of elements. So this we are not discussing. Say we entered and somehow this took and appended and all that. Appended means added to the sequence. So basically, say we took 2, 4, 6, 8. We entered this. Now we are looking at if a condition statement sequence 1, sequence of list 1. So we are looking at this. When they tell 1, right, they're talking about the number 4 over here because it is indexed in Python. We index things in the form of 0, 1, 2, 3. That is, if I want to talk about 4, I'll type it as 1. If I want to talk about 2, I'll type it as 0. Okay, in a sense, it will start, we index from 1, 2, 3, 4, is it not? So the first element is 1, second element is 2, third element in the list is 3, so on and so forth. But this Python, it takes an index of 0. So sequence of list 1 is basically A2 minus A1. We are doing this and we are checking double equals to. Double equals to means, is it equal? Are they equal? So we're checking that. So sequence of list 2 is nothing but A3 and this is nothing but A2. Okay, we need to add 1 to whatever the number we are looking at and we get to understand what exactly we are doing. So now, are they same? In this case, yes, they are. Right? The difference is 2. And so this part of the code will be executed. So here we're telling the sequence is in AP. The common difference is, in this case, 2. Right? We're calculating that and we're calculating list of next 100 elements, which we won't discuss. How is that we are doing it? That we can't discuss now. So we're just looking at this part. Okay. Say this condition is not true, then we'll directly execute else part, wherein we are telling the sequence is not an AP. And that's the basic idea of how we check for an AP. Right? So as you can see again, the way we do, the way we think is how we code. So the logic, the algorithm, the steps has to be very clear of what you're doing. Only then you can code something. So again, please be disciplined in way you're learning something.